When I think of Buoy 10 2020, I think of COVID-19, strong easterly winds, smoky skies, a late season opener, a one fish limit, and barbless hooks. But like so many others, I came to fish anyway. Here we are, first fishing trip Bev and I are taking in 2020. The weird year, but you know what? We're optimistic. Had great expectations after 2 days of not a bite. What would fishing in the Pacific Northwest be like if you couldn't come out to Buoy 10 in August? So far today's been less than a sterling day. I haven't had a takedown, but you never know what's going to happen here. 24th of August. We're out here on Skipping-On River, heading out for Buoy 10, just a little after 6, and a lot of folks are heading on out there. Using a 16-ounce lead, get it down since we have a pretty good current running. Got a good spin. Put it on the bottom, 37 feet, a couple of cranks up. Fishing for Chinook, and I want that bait to be on the bottom. What do we got here?
Looks like a silver.
All right, man. I'm gonna get this thing out because we want that thing in the boat.
We want one in the box.
We need one in the box. Kind of looking like it might be a Chinook salmon. The way he's kicking it around. Still there. Just kind of laying around down. Yeah, it's a coho. It's a nice one.
I can't see with this on.
I can't really see much yet. There we go.
Nice
all right.
fish.
It is a nice fish. We got us a keeper?
Come on.
I think we do. Take a look. He's on his back. Keeper, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Hey! All right. Oh, now we're talking.
Now
look
we're
at
talking.
that. Oh.
Okay, 28.
28. Probably into the boat. There we go. Yeah, baby. Okay, well, we had one. Look, there's one chasing. Drop it back down. There's one that was following
I
it.
saw it.
Just drop it there. See if he takes it. That may have been a coho we had. All right, let's check it out.
Took around 114 from 35 feet.
114 from 35. Wow.
We're at 53 now.
Down to 53. That's what's on the line counter. Well, this is going to be no doubt a released fish. unless it's about a 40-pound coho. You can always, you know,
Always hope, John.
hope springs eternal. Gotta fill up half the freezer.
So we're at 35 where we started out at.
All right, he's coming. He's coming this way. He's a big fish. I don't think he's gonna, if he sees this boat, he's gonna take off. He's not gonna like the looks of it. Looks like he wants to go under the boat a little bit.
22.
All right,
15.
we're gonna be seeing gear here pretty quick.
We're at 7.
There he is. All right,
I've seen the fish.
he's down there.
Oh, there he is.
It's a big Chinook salmon.
Oh, look at that baby.
Looks like he's snagged up.
Take them spots off then, John.
All right, brother. So here he is. Oh, he'll be fine. Look at that.
Looking good.
All right, come on. There he goes.
There he goes.
He's
Good
swimming
release.
away, baby.
Good release. Nice
All right.
job, John. Nice job.
Nothing like a spinner. Oh,
There he is.
might keep him coming.
Looks like it's over.
Keep him coming. Keep it coming, bro. Okay.
Watch your back. Watch your back.
Okay.
Legal?
You're done.
Cool.
I guess we can't fish anymore, huh? Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Hope you're good today.
There we go. This is what we do when we leave the fishing ground. Once the sky is filled with smoke, it seemed to dampen the enthusiasm of both the fish and the fishermen. To close out Buoy 10 2020, I did a lot of boat riding, but not a lot of fish catching. Nonetheless, it was a great time spent with some great people.